Hey everyone, welcome back to the HackByte C++ series, episode 7. Last time we unlocked pointers, your superpower to finding data in memory. Today we're going on a treasure hunt with pointer chains, the secret maps games use to store stuff like health and ammo. We'll even build a safe memory scanner to track it down. Explained so simply, even a 5-year-old could get it. Ready to level up? Smash that like button and let's dive into the game's memory. Okay, imagine you're hunting for treasure in a game, like the player's health. In episode 6, we learned a pointer is like a map that says the health is at this address. But games are sneaky. They don't just store health in one spot. They use pointer chains. A chain of pointers pointing to the next until you find the treasure. Why? Because game data moves around in memory, like a chest that keeps teleporting. Pointer chains help the game keep track, and they're key for game hacking. Let's break it down. So we're going to write some C++ to follow a pointer chain. Picture a game storing your health. It might look like this. One pointer at address 0x1000 points to another address, say 0x2000, which finally points to your health, 100. Here's a super simple example. When we run the program we created, we see that the health address is 010FFC48 and the chain address is 010FFC44, and it shows our final health is 100. So back at the code, you see that double asterisk. The asterisk chain pointer means we're following the chain, first to the pointer's address, then to the health itself. Run this and you'll see 100, plus the addresses in the chain. In real games, chains can be longer, but the idea is the same. So follow the trail. This is how cheats find values that move around, like health in a fast-paced shooter. Now let's build a safe memory scanner to find health. No real game is just a fun simulation. Imagine we're searching a fake game's memory for the player's health. We'll create a simple array to act like memory and scan for the value. Here's the code. We're going to include iOS stream using namespace std, int main, int memory, and then we're going to put in brackets 100, and then we're going to put equals 0, so that's our fake memory. Then we're going to do memory in brackets 42 equals 100. That's the health hidden at a index of 42. We're going to do int base pointer equals memory. That's a base address, just like when the game starts, the game's memory starts. And then we're going to add scan for health equals 100. I put a lot of the stuff in comments so you guys can see what does what. We're going to add for int I equals 0, I greater than 100, and then I plus plus. Then we're going to go if the base pointer plus I equals 100, we're going to say health found at address, the base pointer, and then what base pointer it found it at. Then we're going to break. And then we're going to simulate a pointer chain. We're going to do int asterisk health pointer equals and memory 42. And then int double asterisk chain pointer equals and health pointer. Then we're going to do cout via chain health equals and then our chain pointer. And then we're going to return 0. Now, when we run the program, we'll be able to see found health at address 00000 and then ending at FD78, and that shows us 100. That's our health, and it'll say via chain health equals 100. And then I also added a comment to put where your system will break so you guys can run the program without it constantly opening and closing. So we put a pause point in our program. You guys are probably wondering, why is this so cool? Games use pointer chains to track dynamic data like health, ammo, and anything else you can probably name. Cheats use scanners to find these chains and unlock values, like keeping health at 100. But we're learning this for knowledge, not cheating. Understand, pointer chains can help you debug games, build mods, or even create your own games. Plus, it's fun to know how games hide their secrets in memory. It's time for another challenge. So I want you to write a C++ program that simulates a memory scanner. Create a fake memory array, hide a score like 999, and scan it using a pointer. A bonus would be to add a simple pointer chain. Share your code in the comments or on our Discord. I'll check out the best ones. And that's it for episode 7 of the HackByte C++ series. You're now a pointer chain pro. Hit the subscribe, ring the bell, join our Discord, and support us on Patreon. All the links are down below. Next time, we're going to dive deeper into game hacking. If you have questions, drop them in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.